Ooh, there's something extra in here. Hi, this is Rachelle at Scrapcraftastic, and I'm going to be working in my social media / PR planner, which is a DIY planner with tool, disc, and cover. The inserts are printable inserts, half letter size, available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites. I also have some PR here, Happy Mail from Let's Get Planned. I have been waiting for this to do this spread, so whatever is in here, hopefully I will be able to use to do the spread this week. Ooh, there's something extra in here. Okay, let's see. I'm being spoiled. This is twice I've received something extra. Okay, all right, so let's look at this first. This looks like a pencil case, which I love, need. Can't have too many of these. And this is what it looks like. Very cute. Good size. Let's see if it will hold some tombos. Barely holds a tombow, but it can. Okay. So I'll probably use this as an everyday carry. Okay, let's see. Got a letter in here. These are the September new releases, and they are new sheet sizes, so we will do a comparison of those in just a moment. Now these are, this new size is the only size that will be available in the Let's Get Planned shop. They've also introduced pens, notebooks, and pouches. Okay, so I guess this pouch is one of the new items in the shop. I have these two partially used sheets, so we're going to use these to compare. Then these are the new pens. I'll put the names of these on the screen. This is just old scrap paper. This writes nice. It's a very fine point, but I'll put the information on the screen, and if there's a link, I'll link to it in the description box below. I love the look of this one. I like the matte black. It looks like it's a Japanese 0.38 millimeter pen. It has a cover on it. Let's take that off. Let's see how it writes. Oh, this one is a little too thin for me. I have to get used to it. Yeah, that's a little thin. I need a bolder. Okay, but I can use both of these. I think I prefer this one, but I prefer this, the body of this pen, the look of it. I don't know. So those are the two pens, the pen case. Okay, then let's get into the stickers so we can see what we're going to do for our spread. These are the old size, so I'm not sure what size this one is. This is the older size, the original size. So they are quite a bit larger now. The sheets are, so we're talking, this is about 4x6, which was perfect. And we're going up to, ooh, breast cancer awareness, 4.5 by 6 3/4. So it makes a pretty good difference. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, also Pinktober, also known as Pinktober. And if you're not aware, I was diagnosed with breast cancer in 2018, late 2018. So I've been thinking, am I going to do Pinktober this year? I don't know. I've mentioned this before. I have very mixed feelings about it, but I'm pretty sure I will do something. Not sure what. Okay, we'll look at these later. Then we have this self-love. I affirm I am beautiful. I feel good when I take time for me. I nourish my soul. I embrace my life. What I desire and work on will come into fruition. I surrender to positivity and spiritual alignment. And each one of those is a separate sticker, so that's cool. I like that look. Ooh, this is a kit. Love spell. Oh gosh, I love it already. Ah, it's Halloween. Okay, so this is love spell. Ah, look at it. It's got full boxes. Oh my goodness, I'm shocked. Look at that. Happy Halloween. I love this kit. And there are the boxes, half boxes, quarter boxes, washi strip, script stickers. Nice. Okay. Then this is fall or tropical fall. I like that concept. Bright colors. And then it's not so dreary. I love it. Autumn vibes. I think we should use this one this week since Thursday is the first day of fall. Maybe. We'll see. Is this part of it too? Yes. All of this. So we got the boxes. Lots of washi strips. Ooh. We may be using that one. Let's turn that way. Okay. And then Pinkin. So there's pink pumpkins. Of course, I love that. Then mini munchkins fall. Little dolls. Or character dolls. I like this too. Fall trees. These are cute fall icons and scripts. So you got Thanksgiving, overall fall theme, and Happy Halloween, Election Day, Black Friday, first day of fall, Thanksgiving, Cyber Monday, National Coffee Day, Advent begins, Small Biz Saturday, Daylight Savings ends, and then smaller versions. That's going to come in quite handy. And this, when I saw this on Instagram, I was just like, yes, so maybe we got to use this one. No, I'm going to save this one. This is two of my favorite things, pumpkins and sunflowers together. It can't get better than this. So this one is fallicious, I guess. Thankful, grateful, blessed. I love this. So I don't know. I probably have to save this one for November because we're almost in October and I want to do as much Halloween as I can. So I'll probably save this for the beginning of November. Then I showed these, but I didn't go through them. So these are dolls. Sheena. Chai. Ebony. Like this color. She'd be a good, it's not too red, so it would be a good Christmas. And then Tyra. Once again, these are available now in the shop at Let's Get Plan. I will link to them in the description box below. Go over and check them out. They have great quality stickers and it's different. And I love that they do holidays. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, so let's get into this. I'm going to go ahead and use this, and we may not even use any washi tape, and we got the doll already here. Okay, so let's just use the whole kit. So this is the previous week. I used Let's Get Plan stickers and washi tape from Simply Gilded. So for this spread, we're going to be doing the week of the 19th through the 25th. Do I have enough room? Let's put the pen case away. So we have date covers again. I don't usually do date covers in this planner, but I think I'm going to go ahead and do it. I have to trim them to make them fit, but I'm going to start with the dates. And let's flip these upside down so I can get a better placement. I'm not going to use feeling sweaterish. Thursday is the first day of fall, so I'm going to do the autumn vibes there. Kind of didn't want to go so bright, but let's go bright. I'm just going to use the kit. I'm going to forgo washi tape probably this time because I don't think I have any washi tape that will work with this. So let's use the kit. So let's put these down at the top. Let's see if I can cut this. All right, let's see, I can use this here. It's not perfectly straight, but it's kind of straight. Then let's go on and do the other side here. Let's go this direction. Let's put this piece back. Okay. So I think that's going to be enough. I'm not sure I'm going to put anything down at the bottom. I'm going to use this here in the center, autumn vibes for Thursday, since, like I mentioned, that's the first day of fall. So let's put that there. Nope, let's save that one. Let's put that on the doll. Really want to use this pumpkin and that other pumpkin. And then, aren't these stickers beautiful? So I think I'll save these. I like this Hello Fall, but I think I can save these for another spread. So I'm going to hold on to those. Then let's see. Let's use some of these boxes. Let's put down some check marks. I like these. These are cool. Then use some of these deco pieces. I think I'm going to save these as well. So those are the stickers from the Tropical Fall. Love this concept. I'm going to use some of my script stickers. These are available to Scrapcraftastic patrons. Patron elites, most likely. Let's use this work. There. And goals. Here. And plan is going to have to go over here. I'm going to use this payday sticker. Let's see, can we put it on a glitter? Let's put that on a glitter strip or glitter header. I'm going to use this remember. I'm going to leave it at that. Okay, so those are the new stickers. Let's pop this back in, see what we've got. So everything other than the script stickers are from the Let's Get Planned Tropical Fall Kit. The inserts are available to Scrapcraftastic Patron Elites. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in these other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.